I am Bruno Oliveira. I live in Brazil, and nowadays I'm the current director for L'Occitane Group. I'm in charge of innovation, quality, and product development for Brazilian market. So I'm in charge of a brand called L'Occitane au Brasil. That develop local products, well, not just for Brazil, but for a few markets, and it's based in Brazilian lifestyle. And I'm also in charge of L'Occitanie Provence for Brazil markets and support for local Latin America partners. This first case is mainly to share with you that we really need to be very attention when we are working with relaunches or substituting products in a portfolio, considering not only the consumers that we are going to attract, but also the consumers that are already loyal to these products. This designing stage is exactly the moment that we create everything we need to fine tune this business case. Okay, we will bring finance team, we'll bring brand team, we'll bring everyone that can challenge this scoping to guarantee that we'll have a business case in the end. From that moment, when the business case is validated, we start the product development, what we call a stage gate process. This is the most used in cosmetic industry because it's kind of easy for this type of project. Okay, it's super adaptable, so you can make stages faster, or you can customize specific stages according to the complexity of that development or according to the category that you are going to work. Here, you will start looking for some potential applications to segment the market. So it's not related to the product, but it's related to the consumer. We can create this type of charters in order to help us to understand where competitors are playing in different ways. Talking during the assignment about how to apply the golden circle in order to understand a brand. And that's the first point, to be sure that we are designing a good segmentation in terms of audience. So I did exercise here just to share with you a real case about how we apply that. Here, I added some materials for you because we were discussing a lot about social media and influence marketing. So I added here some steps in terms of how you can bring social media to your brand. So creating a very good unique selling proposition helps to guide you during development stage and also the marketing stage, in order to create consistency for a launch and for product design. I extended a bit the case for Drunk Elephant, because Drunk Elephants put together many topics that you are bringing. So how we design clean beauty, how we design formulas that are targeting emerging personas. So Drunk Elephant, I really recommend you to go through this case that I detailed a bit more, bring in a bit of the business model, the growth strategy, the acquisition model, because through all these cases, you see some key success factors. If we're gonna sell your products, for example, in California, you need to guarantee that it's free from dioxins or respect some specific dioxin levels. So in your commercial briefs, you need to guarantee that the list of countries that you intend to trade your products and any specific commercial need is also very clear in the brief. So if you add vitamin C in aluminum, for example, you need to use very specific paintings to not allow vitamin C get in contact with aluminum. Otherwise, it will be a disaster. The packaging design also needs to cover and be compliant with regulations, not only with the communication aspects, but also the brand commitment. So if the brand has a commitment to add recycled plastic in all the portfolio, be sure that you have technical limitations in terms of color, because every time you add recycled plastic into your packaging composition, it will not be 100% translucent. How long the stage gate takes to a product, we need to guarantee that we are checking some important topics like product complexity. It's super different to develop a fragrance from developing a FPS. Thanks very much for your time, and I hope you have a good evening.